Building a strong vocabulary is essential for effective communication and comprehension. Here is a list of basic words for beginners to get started. Hello. Goodbye. Yes. No. Please. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me. Help. Friend. Family. Home. School. Teacher. Student. Book. Pen. Pencil. Paper. Desk. Chair. Table. Door. Window. Open. Close. Eat. Drink. Sleep. Wake up. Happy. Sad. Angry. Tired. Busy. Big. Small. Tall. Short. Hot. Cold. Fast. Slow. Old. New. Day. Night. Sun. Moon. Star. Learning these words can provide a foundation for expanding your vocabulary and improving your language skills. You can practice using these words in sentences to enhance your understanding and fluency.